Alef Model A car. The Alef Model A flying car has received a special airworthiness certification from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. The company claims that it is the first fully electric flying car to receive legal approval from the U.S. government for road air testing. Featuring a futuristic flowy shape, the Alef flying car gets 8 propellers placed inside the body. The fully electric flying car has a seating capacity of 1 or 2 persons as of now. However, the company aims to build a flying car with more seating capacity soon. As per the company's official website, the Alef flying car can be driven on all kinds of roads. It can fit within a standard driving lane and can follow all traffic regulations, ensuring a safe and convenient driving experience for its users. Freeaim VR shoes, the most real and immersive way to walk in virtual reality without limits. Our innovative VR shoes let you walk naturally in VR across infinite distances and in any direction, while keeping you safely inside a small area. The freeaim VR shoes also promise haptic feedback, kinetic feedback, and foot tracking implementations. The developers have also confirmed that support for standalone headsets such as the Quest lineup is something they are working on. The basic concept is further elaborated on by the inclusion of machine learning algorithms to provide enhanced stability and optimization for the wearer. TAJIMA helmet fan. In summer, especially in this month, weather is hot, so the TAJIMA Stereo Helmet Cooling Fan 2 provides a practical solution to the risk of heat stroke and overheating, even while continuing to offer genuine head protection. If you work in hot conditions but in construction or another industry that requires you constantly to wear a helmet, you will certainly appreciate the need for this easy-to-attach cooling fan. Heurobotics MKII. A computer-controlled hybrid flying machine that lifts off vertically like a helicopter, leans to a 90-degree angle and flies horizontally like an airplane. For precision agriculture, farmers need a machine that can rapidly cover many acres of land, zero in on a single diseased tree or other plant, and treat it. The Mark II can scan up to 250 acres and fly for 20 minutes on a single battery charge, and could prove useful for precision agriculture as well as search and rescue missions, remote detection of flaws in bridges or buildings, security and surveillance, and other uses. Matternet drone station. There's a company that's actively using drones for delivery right now. That company is called Matternet. Mountain View, California, Matternet, developer of the world's leading urban drone logistics platform, today unveiled the new Matternet station. The Matternet station supports the company's vision of distributed, peer-to-peer drone logistics networks for urban environments. It's integrated with Matternet's autonomous M2 drone and cloud platform, providing an intuitive user interface for sending and receiving medical payloads, and a safe and secure drone portal for hospital campuses. Robot dance synchronized. Getting 7 spots to dance in unison presented an exciting challenge, as well as a new opportunity to push the robots to their limits. Boston Dynamic lookalikes performing unbelievable feats, example, fighting back against humans. The dance moves performed in this video are 100% authentic. Instead of using artificial intelligence or even computer vision to sense their surroundings, these bots are simply carrying out carefully programmed and designed dance routines. Dreamglass lead. With 5G is rolling out all over the world, augmented reality is becoming the next spatial digital platform, which is going to completely change how we work, communicate, and entertain ourselves. Tired of the tiny screen window of your phone? Dreamglass lead provides a stunning 200-inch display, with 2D, 3D, and 360-degree supported. Explore the future in the most natural way, as every digital content is multi-dimensionally presented in front of you, no more fubbing. Blanc robot. The all-wheel drive Blanc robot is built around a centralized control system, known as the digital backbone, that provides drive-by-wire capability. It is modular and fully flexible, using pods that can be configured for specific application. Snowcruiser. The presence of a Snowcruiser sled allows you to experience the fullness of sensations, from walking through the forest for long distances, to places where not many go. For fishermen and hunters, this is a way, having all the necessary ammunition, to comfortably organize their vacation. For the active family, this is an opportunity to travel and explore new routes and destinations in a safe, comfortable, and fun way.